Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the JET2 app review to see if it worth using. So talking about the JET2 app, the JET2 app is a travel companion for booking and managing flight and holidays packages with JET2. It includes features such as flight and holiday search, mobile check-in, digital boarding passes, live flight update, and easy access to booking details. The app also allows users to manage extras like seat selection, baggages, and transfer, while offering 24/7 support and travel inspiration for destination. The interface is designed for conveniences, helping travelers organize their trip from booking on to boarding. However, the JET2 app also received criticisms for technical issues, including frequent crashes, login problems, and errors when downloading boarding passes. Some users also report difficulties making changes to booking through the app and occasional confusion with navigation. So in conclusion, the app worth it for JET2 customers who want all-in-one tools for managing their holidays, but not ideal if you want a flawless, glitch-free experience every time. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more app review.